Stop trading over 1 hour a day. I know, that sounds backwards, but trading more is exactly what's keeping you unprofitable. So in this video, I will break down the exact system I use to find 1 to 2 high quality trades every single day without spending more than 15 minutes a day. Most importantly, with real life examples, so you can make more spending less time. This is Islam with you, and if you have 15 minutes a day for trading, I can help you scale your trading to 6 or even 7 figures without guessing your trades or being glued to the charts. So let's get into it. So here's the thing, guys. We've all been conditioned to believe the same thing since we were kids. More work equals more results, right? Study harder, get better grades, work more hours, earn more money. And in almost every profession on earth, that is true. The lawyer who bills more hours makes more money. The doctor who sees more patients earns more. Every other career rewards you for the time you put in. But trading is a complete opposite. And this is a part nobody tells you. You are not paid for how long you sit in front of the charts. Let me say that again because it is important. You are not paid for your time. You are paid exclusively for the quality of decisions you make while you are there. Think about it for a second. Can you imagine any other job where working longer actually makes you worse at it? But that's exactly what happens in trading, because when you sit at your charts for hours, what actually happens? You get tired, you start forcing trades, and you're not there. You make decisions that are based on your emotions. And worst of all, you get this false sense of productivity, like you're working hard while that exact behavior is quietly bleeding your account dry. Working longer doesn't give you an edge, guys. It gives you fatigue and mistakes. And no, grinding harder is not the answer here. The answer is the complete opposite. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead. Real quick, if you want me personally help you build the exact same kind of mechanical load time system, and that's what we do inside our mentorship program. We take traders from guessing to consistent profits using 4 simple patterns. The link in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, let's keep going. So, if it's not about hours, what is it about then? Here's the truth. You only need 1 to 2 good decisions per trading session. Nothing more. The most consistent profitable traders in the world, and I mean the real ones, not the ones posting like fake screenshots, they are not the ones trading all day long. Not even close. They are the ones who show up at the right time, make 1 to 2 precise decisions based on a clear mechanical plan, and then close their charts and walk away. That is it. That's a whole game, and I know what you might be thinking. But Islam, how can 1 or 2 trades a day actually be enough? Just believe me on this for now, and by the end you will see exactly how it works. 1 high quality trade done with a proper plan beats 10 emotional trades every single time. Now here's where it gets specific. The session lengths in the time frame you trade on depends entirely on what type of trader you are. And that's exactly what we are going to break down right now. So there are 3 types of traders, and each one has exactly 1 time frame they should be using. No mixing, no jumping around. But before I break them down, here's the rule applies to all 3, no matter which one you pick. Less than 1 hour of active screen time per day. That part never changes. And the only thing that changes is where you operate. So let me give you the breakdown. If you're a scalper, your chart is the 3-minute time frame. If you're a day trader, your chart is a 15-minute time frame. If you are a swing trader, your chart is a 4-hourly time frame. That's it. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle and commit to it completely. And let me tell you something really important here. Jumping between these types of traders is one of the fastest way to stay consistently unprofitable. I see it all the time. A trader scalps in the morning, switches to swing trading in the afternoon, and tries to day trading by the next day, and they wonder why nothing is working for them. Pick one, master it, Does it make sense so far? And hey, we're on a mission to help 1 million people to trade profitably. So if this is giving you value for you, do me a quick favor and hit the like button and follow. It genuinely helps us reach more people who need this. All right, let's keep going. Okay, this next part is huge and it goes against everything you've been told. Overtrading and revenge trading are not psychology problems. They are structure problems. Let me explain what I mean. Because this completely changes the way I trade. Most traders blame their mindset when they overtrade. They think, I just need more discipline. I need to fix my psychology. I need to read another mindset book. And no, that's not the real problem. The real problem is way simpler than that. They don't have defined limit on how many trades they are allowed to take. Here's the thing. When there is no rule stopping you, your emotions will always fill the gap. Always. You cannot out-discipline a system that has no boundaries. So instead of fighting your emotions, you remove the gap completely with a hard rule. So screenshot this part, guys. Genuinely, pause and screenshot it. If you're a scalper, 1 to 2 trades per session. So all you need to take as a scalper is 1 to 2 trades per session. If you're a day trader, you are allowed to take 1 to 2 trades per day, no more. And if you're a swing trader, it's a 1 to 2 trades per week. That is your limit. And I'm telling you, this single rule will do more for your trading psychology than any mindset book ever could. Because it's not asking you to control your emotions. It is removing the situation where your emotions take over in the first place. So what actually happens when you have a trade limit? Everything changes, and it changes immediately. You are no longer you no longer chase missed moves because you know another opportunity is coming tomorrow, and the fear of missing out just disappears because you know the market gives you setups every single day. You no longer revenge trade after a loss because your rules tells you the session is over. The decisions are already made for you. There's nothing to argue with. And you stop making emotional decisions altogether because the mechanical structure of your plan makes them for you. You're not relying on your willpower anymore. You're relying on rules. But here's the catch, guys, and this is really important. This only works when your strategy is fully rule-based with zero gray areas. Because gray areas, those little, well, maybe this counts moments, that's exactly where emotions sneak back in, you know? One gray area and the whole trading falls apart. So your system has to be completely mechanical. So mechanical that even your grandma could follow it. So let's bring it all together. You don't need more hours. You need less screen time. One time frame, a hard trade limit, and a fully mechanical plan that makes the decisions for you. That's how you find 1 to 2 high quality trades a day and walk away. Now, the missing piece is actually strategy that fills this structure, the rules that tell you exactly what a high quality trade looks like, and that's exactly what I break down in the free training. I walk you through 4 simple methods that will help you scale your trading to 6 figures without guessing trades and without being glued to the chart. Click the link in the description below and watch it next. I will see you inside.